I'm not a thief. Woman loses job after video of her taking a little child's phone go viral. And that we are going to talk about today.
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
Tell them try me now. My friend them a kill us out here. In a bus license gun.
So people, I'm sure you saw this video, but just in case you didn't see it, I'm gonna play it for you right now. So take a look. So after that video went viral, viral in like a day, the search was on. And the online police them, you know the online police them when me attack, you know the daydream people them, you see me, you know the tropics people them went hunting for this mysterious woman that just took the little girl phone just like that. You see me? So them happen to find her, start post her picture and all these things, which me go post the picture, but honestly still me go blur out her face. Probably wanna see it already, you know. But me don't really like do them things there. You see me? Them things there to people. So me I blur out her face. So you can look over that side here. You see her. Or that side here. The pic went viral after the video. You know, say our workplace get a hold of the video and realize say she do it, and guess what? Them fire her. But she forward now and I said no, she never necessarily thief the phone, you know. She just like mistakenly take up the phone. So me I go read the article here from the Star, cause you know the Star mix up and the Star got an interview with her and all these things. So this is the article. Jamelia Daniels, the woman who was seen in a video taking up a phone that belongs to a child, is insisting that she is no crook, people, and that she has said. Daniels, a guard, is now unemployed after yielding to requests by King Alarm, the security company to which she was contracted, to resign her job. Janu. In the video, which has brought much condolence on Daniels, she is seen placing an envelope on a cell phone that was placed on a counter by a child who was making a purchase. Daniels, after paying her bill, take up both the phone and the envelope and leaves the establishment. She, however, told the Star last night that she did not deliberately take the phone. She said she went to the pharmacy in Montego Bay, St. James last Saturday to buy an envelope to put a phone in to send to her 10-year-old son who is staying in Kingston. I went and picked up the envelope. However, when I went to the cashier, I noticed there was 2 envelopes in my hand and I need one. So I leave one of the envelope on the counter and went back in the aisle where I picked it up from and put back down one, she said. So I cashed the envelope. The phone was on the counter near beside the envelope that I put down. But I thought it was my phone because normally I would have my phone in my hand. I thought that I put it down along with the envelope and took up both of them, she said. Danielle said it was after she sent the package off to her son, she realized that she was in possession of a phone that did not belong to her. I went to different places so I couldn't recognize where I got the phone. I went home and no one called the phone. The whole evening I put the phone on charge so it wouldn't die, but no one called the phone, she said. She said she received calls that night of person telling her she was caught on security camera stealing a phone And that the video has been making rounds on social media. She said she made attempts to return the phone to the pharmacy the following day, but it was closed. She said she went to the police station to see if anyone had made any reports of a missing phone and was informed that no such report was made. Danielle said she was accompanied by officers to the pharmacy yesterday to return the phone. My pics was all over, looking like a thief. I know I am not a thief. The whole world is now looking at me like I'm a thief. But I know I am not in need of a phone. I am not stupid. I am a security officer. Which business place does not have security camera? I'm not stupid, she insists. So people, the argument's sticky. The argument's sticky. I don't know. After she did that interview with the star, a viral voice note again started to circulate. And me I go play the voice note phone right now.
So I went to the pharmacy to buy the envelope, the nearest pharmacy. However, I go in at the pharmacy and I take up the envelope, which are 2 envelope I take up. When I reach a cashier, I see a 2 envelope I take up. So I put down one on the counter and go back go put down one in the aisle. This spot I take the envelope from. So me now cash the envelope and take up the phone and the envelope. So you can see say the phone and the envelope they're the same place. So me take my phone because it's a Samsung phone. So me never really observe because 3 of them they one place me think I me did put on my phone along with the envelope. So me take up the both of them and come out of the place. Me go Knoxford, me go bookstore, me go.
So people, I honestly don't know. From the looks of the security camera, it would have appeared that she deliberately steal the phone for true. Because if you look on it, the phone did there on the counter before she put the envelope there. And then she put the envelope on the counter. And then the envelope did not cover the whole section of the phone. When the little girl come by, and I don't know what the little girl do, but I guess she make her purchase. When she come by, she take time and pull the envelope over the whole part of the phone. You see me? So honestly, me don't know if she deliberately take up the phone. I mean, mistake can happen. But why it kind of looks suspicious and kind of looks sticky on fear end is when the girl come, she draw the envelope completely over the phone. You see me? And if you look closely, she even kind of eyeball the little girl away. She kind of pray the little girl away. I don't know if she pray the little girl I go realize say she don't have her phone or what. So it kind of look away upon fear end. But honestly, me now go just jump to conclusion and say a she thief the phone. You see me? Me now go jump to conclusion and say she thief the phone. Because sometimes when people in a hurry for true, you definitely can take up an item and don't even realize say a your item. Me can give a joke right now. And people, me are no thief. I got my virgin house the other day. You see me? And it's like both away have the same wallet. You see me? And we always work around the same station. But me as a youth, I always put my wallet in my back pocket. But anytime I sit down, like the back pocket, the wallet squeeze me. You see me? So I take out the wallet and put on the counter. It's a desk that Fame wallet they dep on the same desk. And you know so I take up Fame wallet instead of mine. Alright. And not that alone. Me spend a money out of Fame wallet and me not even realize say I know my wallet. The 2 wallet them look identical. Is when me go do some business and me need ID. A matter of fact, is when me reach home because the key when I have is a key card and it normally in my wallet. I go so booms for open the door with the wallet because I don't have to take out the card like it just in there. Only supposed to know what I mean. The door never open. I'm get for realize say yo I know my wallet that. You see me? So things do happen like that. Me can get a next instance where my father got work with my phone. Things say a Fame phone. You see me? Me I call him the whole time. Him not answer the phone cause him don't realize say a Fame phone a ring which are my phone but him take it for Fame self think a Fame phone and him not realize say it a ring because him not used to the ringtone there. And when call over and over and over and him realize that something in him pocket start vibrate, him take out the phone. And even when him take out the phone, you know, him still don't realize say I know for him phone. And when him go for answer the phone and him realize say the way how him answer the phone and the way how my phone like for answer calls are two different way, and him couldn't really not saying couldn't really answer it, but at that point him realize say it's not for him phone. You see me? So when me I try say people do make mistakes, and you see from one security footage, yo, it may appear as if, but honestly, yo, sometimes we don't really know. A lot of things me say mistakenly stuff like that. You see me? So probably when you can take time with her and you can go easy with her. You see it? As obviously I'm not defend her still. But Uno tell me in the comment section if Uno feel like say she deliberately take up that phone, thief that little child's phone. You see me? Or tell me if you feel like a mistake like that can happen, even though so much signs I tell we say yeah, a thief she thief it. Tell me in the comment section if you feel like she can make a mistake like that and adjust a case of mistake. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to follow the page. You see me? All those lovely things. Special welcome. Me always I welcome the Facebook people. You know. Special welcome to Uno. You see me? Share that video here. If you watch on YouTube same way, share the video, man. Don't be selfish. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And guess what? I'm out. All of my friends, them are gone, man.
Tell them try me now. My friend them a killers out here. In a bus license gun.